Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss LeetCode 3, which is longest substring without repeating characters. So let's read the question. Given a string S, find the length of the longest substring without duplicate characters. So you will be given a string S, and you have to find longest substring uh, without duplicate characters. Means the substring should have all the characters unique. So let's see the example. So example is ABC, ABC, BB, and output is 3. Because ABC is a substring that is having all the characters unique, no duplicate characters. Another substring is ABC. Yeah, so there are two substrings with the unique characters of length 3. So max length is 3 only. So in this case, output is 3. Let's see the another example, which is BBBB. So in this case, output is 1 because you can form a substring of length 1 only that is having all the characters unique or no duplicate characters. Because if you will take another substring like BB, then it will have duplicate characters. Okay, so let's discuss the approach. So one of the brute force approach for this could be you can form all the substring possible, and after forming the substring, you can check whether that substring has any duplicate characters or not. And if it does not have any duplicate characters, then you can find find the length and maximize it, and store it in a variable and maximize it. So for this, time complexity required will be n square for forming the all the substring, and another n will be required to check whether the substring contains any duplicate characters or not. So overall time complexity will be n cube, which is very large. So it is obvious that interviewer won't be happy. So you need to think some optimized approach. So let's see what is the optimized approach for this. So what you can do, you can use a map. You can take a map and simply iterate over this string. And whatever characters comes, add it to the map. Add it to the map. A with frequency 1. And keep another variable A that will be pointing to first character only, first index character, which is 0. Okay, now moving to next, B. Add it to map, frequency 1. Add C. Add it to the map, frequency 1. Now, when we move to the next character, the frequency of A will be 2. Okay. So while iterating, we will keep a variable res, and we will be maximizing the length of our substring. Suppose when we are at B, so AB is a substring with all the characters unique. So in our result, we can have 2. When we move to C, so ABC is another substring with length 3. So result will be 3. Now when we came to A, so our frequency of A become 2. So what we will do, now we will use this pointer and move this pointer and decrease the frequency of the characters from left till till the frequency of A becomes 1. Till then, we will keep moving A and keep decreasing the frequency of the letters from left. So So my for loop iterator is here at a, and now my a is at 0. So we will we will check at 0 we are having a. So we will go to the map and decrease the frequency of a by 1. So it will become 1. It will become 1. Mm, and a will be at b. Now we can see that all the frequencies having 1. So there is no duplicate or duplicate in the substring enclosed by pointer a and pointer I. Okay, so after that, we will again maximize our result. So the current substring is BCA, which is of 3 length. So result will be 3 only. Now this I pointer will move to B. So it will increase the frequency. Now the frequency of B is 2. Again, we will start moving this A pointer. So we will move this pointer A. It is pointing to B. So we will reduce the frequency. It will become 1. And my A pointer will point to C. So let me clear it. Um, now my pointer I is here and pointer A is here. Okay, and frequency is 1 1. So so the substring includes between A and I is a substring with all the characters unique. So CAB is another substring which is having length 3. So there is no change in the result. We are having already 3 only. Now again our I pointer will move. It will move to C. So frequency of C will be increased to 2. Now we can see that frequency of C increased to 2 means the substring is containing duplicates. So again we will start moving our pointer A. Again our pointer A is having C. So we will decrease the frequency of C and we'll move the pointer A to here. So let me clear it. So my I pointer is here and my A pointer is here. Now again, substring enclosed between A and I is a string with all the characters unique. So we will maximize our result. So length is 3 only. So it will be 3 only. Okay. So in this way, it will keep moving and we will get our result. So this was the approach. Let's see the code. Okay, so we have taken a pointer A, which will be pointing to the 0th index element, and we have taken a map and a result for result, and we are simply iterating over the string, and we are increasing the means counting the character frequency of that character, and in the while loop, I'm checking whether the frequency of current character is greater than 1. If it is greater than 1, then I will keep moving my A pointer and keep it decreasing till the frequency is equal to 1. Yeah, till the frequency is equal to 1. And after this while loop, we will left with our A pointer and I pointer enclosing the substring with all the characters unique. So we will maximize it. We will maximize the rest with I minus A plus 1, the length of the current substring. And at the end, we will return that result. So let's run this code. Yeah, it passed all the given test cases. Let's submit it. Yeah, it passed all the given test cases. So let's discuss the time complexity for it. So time complexity for this is O of n, as we are running a single for loop to iterate over the string. We are running another while loop inside it, but it is negligible. Yeah, it is negligible because not all the times we are moving, running this while loop. We are running this while loop only when the frequency is greater than 1. So the time complexity for this will be O of n. And space complexity will be O of n as we are using a map. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe.